spider web is tangled up with me. Never lost my head and thought of all the stupid things I've said. Oh no, what's this? I start a web and I'm caught in the middle. I turned to run and thought of all the stupid things I've done. And no, I never meant to cause you trouble. And no, I never meant to do you wrong. And well, if I ever cause you trouble, and no, I never meant to do you harm. Oh no, I see a spider web is tangled up with me. Never lost my head and thought of all the stupid things I've said. No, I never meant to cause you trouble. And no, I never meant to do you wrong. Well, if I ever cause you trouble, no, I never meant to do you harm.
Hey everybody, I hope you learned something new and informative today. And dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Dear friends, for more than a decade, I've been performing at different hotels, different performance concerts, and this experience I want to bring to anybody. Now, this music course is for regular people who want to learn to sing and play the piano. So if you are a person who wants to learn to sing and play the piano and you're not that great at playing the piano, you're not that great at singing, dear friends, I want you to take this up. It's a free music course. It's introductory level where you can get an understanding of what it takes. I'm going to show you what it takes to go step by step to be able to sing and play the piano. Welcome, dear friends. I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye.